What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Fast and Furious Takedown. You are me here, Chris. Immediately jumping into the game, and we got ourselves level up. Alright, that's an NSX if I'm not mistaken. And let's see, we do have a pro case. This was basically because there was some connection issue, I guess, and I'm getting this thing pretty late. I think I'm supposed to get it much more earlier, but probably some connection issues over there. Alright, you have placed on the leaderboard and can now collect your reward. Okay, I'll be collecting this for the distance. I rank 15. Alright, that's quite a bunch to be collected. Another one more card. The Impreza Subaru. That's a little bit more to stage 3. Alright, this is on the Takedown 49 ranking. Let's see, 1007. The STI able to go for stage 3, and the Ford Focus RS, and also the Civic EJ1. Ooh, awesome. Nice one. Let's see, we do have things to open over here. Let's get this silver camo to be open. Ford Focus RS again. And the Esprit S1 Lotus. So yeah, that's an addition car that has been added to my garage. Let me just get this open. I'm just gonna go through. This is basically one of the car which I've already unlocked. The Subaru STI, the Buick Regal, and let's see what else. Oh yes, and this Fairlane Crown Victoria. This is the Ford, and of course it's on Epic. Others still waiting to get. Long way to go still. I'm gonna up this car. The stage 4 Impala right now. This on 6K. I'm gonna upgrade the Esprit and also the Subaru Impreza. Street, 2 street and 1 spot. There you go. That's what's up. Alright, so what we're gonna do in today's video, we're gonna go into the versus. I'm gonna race for the league. So let's go. We do have the Ford to upgrade. Not enough cash right there. Not enough cash as well. We need 6K. I do not have any 6K available. It's quite a bunch of cars though. Wasn't expecting that. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna use the Subaru Impreza. $746 against 754. Unfortunately, one thing that I noticed in this screen, you can't change your opponent. It's basically being choose, and that is fixed. So you need to ensure that your car is well ready. Of course, in the beginning when you come in, you come to a certain stage, but then later on it changes. Ah, come on. Seriously. That was a super close one. that's basically the opponent took quite a huge turn, so I got the advantage over there. 38 on cash. Right. One thing in the versus mode is that when you get those win and you fill up, the next round you will have your slots full, so you will not be able to run. That's one thing that I noticed. Let's get this claim. Right, special op. I'm not sure what is this. Alright kid, you're up. Let's see what you're made of. This is on the takedown. Gonna use the Dodge Challenger RT. Have you seen the truck drift before? Come. There you go. 3 takes down on a special ops. So that's a huge win for some good goals. Alright, so that's basically a daily goal reward. 50 of fame and goals. Let's see if we're gonna go for takedown. That is basically trying to get more nitrous. Right, nice takedown. Right, that's a good takedown over there. That's what I need. Ah, come on, that was close. That was super close. Alright, 24. That's on the leaderboard. $7,050. That's a good cash. Shake it off and get back on the road, Rook. Those mission star ain't gonna earn themselves. So that's clean. At just 1 point I get those items. Take down one target that from above style in a single run. How do we do this? I'm not really sure how do we do that. It's a bit off. Right, those small things I'm just gonna on loan. So those small things I'm just gonna try to get so I can earn small points. That's nice in Pala. Wow. Yeah, that's a bit weird. Okay, what is seriously going on right now? Right, I need one more. Awesome. I think I wasted a lot of time in there. Brawl Star. Small payout, but I think soon the points would be very beneficial. As you can see over here, doing small things will be cool. Alright, Street FX. I'm not sure what this one will be doing, but let's try. Finish first against Street. I'm sure there's some player right behind of me. Awesome. That's with the air squid. Alright, so while we're claiming this, I will be wrapping up this video, guys. This is the first round of running into this game. On overall, basically we played the versus, we saw the challenge, and also we managed to open some good crates, and this would be big benefit since we have more cars being upgraded. Alright, so the next upcoming video, maybe you can suggest what else can I play, or maybe if there's something that I'm missing in here, let me know by commenting down below. So guys, with that, I'm gonna wrap up this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the most. If you are new, hit the subscribe button, like the video down below, leave your comments as usual, and I'll get back to you. So that I'm Chris, and this is Fast and Furious Takedown, and I'm out. Peace.